What up guys, welcome back, Digital Slang. Today we're talking the TWS, the i27s, another super copy, another AirPods 2 super clone. Now I believe these are matte black and they're supposed to be very comparable with a little better sound to the i500s that in black anyway is one of my favorites. So we'll check them out, we'll jump in. Now I do have two in front of me. One of them I will be giving away. Stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll tell you the details for that. But let's just jump right in. We'll open one of these up, put one away for one of you guys. TWS, the i27s, another super copy. The packaging on the front, a picture of the pods, no branding on the sides, and on the back we do just have a picture of the pods. So let's just open her up, check them out, and see. Now I said I believe these are matte black. I'm not sure, but I am hoping they are the matte black version. And there are the TWS, the i27s. They are matte black. And you guys know how I feel about the matte black colorway. I think it's dope. I think it's the best looking thing on any AirPods anywhere, hands down. Apple, you are crazy for not releasing these because you would sell so many more. Not that you don't sell a lot already, but give the people what they want, man. Come on. You would sell millions of the black colorways of these. You get a lightning connector. You also get your typical user's manual. We're not going to worry about that stuff. We'll take a look at the TWS, the i27s, another super copy. And these actually have some weight to it. Battery life on these things is going to be 3 to 4 hours. So a little better than the previous clone. So the i27s, right? You get your LED light on the front, your lightning port connection on the bottom, your button to connect, your matted hinge on the back. Now, unfortunately, we do not get that hinge, that magnetic hinge, just like the originals, but it is what it is. It still feels good. It's heavier than most matte black versions that I've tried, so that's a good thing. Battery life on here is about 3 to 4 hours, and I believe you can get about 15 hours with the case, so you'll be able to charge the pods up a few times before you have to charge your case. But let's just start the testing, jump right in, see how these compare to the i500s. So the i27's matte black version comparable to the i500s. LED light here on the front. We do get the lightning port connection for charging on the bottom. On the back, we do have the matted hinge along with the button. These do have a nice weight to it. And again, 3 to 4 hours of battery life and about 15 hours with the case. So you will be able to use these about 3 or 4 times before you have to charge up the case again. Now, unfortunately, we don't get that magnetic hinge that we do love, but it is what it is. Overall, these should be a very good product. I'll drop the link below. They're on eBay, so it's a USA seller with USA shipping, so you should get these pretty fast. They're going for 37 bucks, but I know he does take offers, so you can get them for less. So let's connect them, see if we can get that pop-up window, see if we get that ease of use. Connect, hold the button on the back. Connecting. And there we go. Now, this is a real percentage for the charging case and for the pods. We're only at 9%, so I probably should charge it, but it is what it is. We'll make it through the video. We click done. We go into settings. I always got to check to see if we can remap it. I highly doubt we can, but we're going to try it anyway. Unfortunately, we can't. I do have a version coming in that you can go in and remap things, so I'm really excited to check them out. I've been wanting that for a long time. We'll jump right in, we'll test the sound, and then we'll go right into the mic test and all of the other testing. Music is already playing as soon as I put it in my ear, and I do like that. We'll play some music, we'll hear the sound. I'm hoping that these sound just as good as the glossy black i500s or the Nokis or the GoPods. I want that loudness at least. So sound quality is decent. You know, it's no different than the i500s and the i200s that we've tested so far. For whatever reason, the matte black versions of these clones don't get as loud as the glossy blacks or something like the Nokis or the GoPods. It's there, it's loud, not a lot of bass. You're not gonna get a lot of bass with any of these. It is decent enough to listen to content, to listen to music. I wouldn't have any problem doing it. It's just not as loud as the real AirPods and definitely not as loud as the i500s in glossy black and the Nokis and the GoPods. So let's get into the other testing. We'll do in-ear detection first since I have music already on. We'll play the music again. Right. It stops right away. Playing again as soon as I put it back in. Left side. Pauses. Plays right away. That's a good thing. Music is still playing. I'm going to take one out, put it in the case, and see if we could use one at a time. Music does stop as I put it in the case, but if we hit play, it's still playing. Let's try the other one. See if we can use the right pod by itself. It did pause. If I play, it is playing again. So you can use one at a time, which is a good thing. Next test, touch controls. We will do 2 and 3 taps on each side. We'll activate Siri and just see how good they work. 2 taps right side. Pauses. 2 taps again. Plays. Left side. 2 taps. Pauses. 2 taps. Plays. It is instant. As soon as I tap it twice on either side, it does pause or play. We'll try 3 taps. 3 taps on the right should skip to the next track. So if we watch the phone here, 3 taps on the right side. Skip to the next track. We do it again. Skip to the next track. 3 taps left side should go all the way back. Goes back. Goes back again. So touch controls work very well. We will try and activate Siri. If we touch and hold, we should hear a beep after 2 seconds, and then Siri should come on. Music is playing. Beeps. How are you today, Siri? So touch controls work very well. You can use one at a time. In-ear detection does work. Battery life is going to be pretty good. Sound quality is no different than any other matte black version. Actually, it's no different than the Black Pods or any other matte black version of the clones that are out there. Next test, mic test. We'll jump right in. I'll do one with these, and I'll throw the real AirPods in, and we'll compare. What up, guys? Mic test, the TWS Matte Black i27s. Let me know what you think, how they sound. I'm hoping that they're decent. I'm hoping that they're good. Now we'll do the mic test with the real AirPods. What up, guys? Mic test once again, the real AirPods. I'm sure these are going to sound better. The difference is how much. Are they worth it? Are they not worth it? Let me know. Next test, we'll test the latency, see if there's any delay between audio and video. Let's jump right in. We'll play a video.
Sony has problems with their naming conventions, clearly. They have other probability features like noise canceling and app integration.
No delay there. I thought there was a slight delay, but it seemed to catch up. Let's try another video just to make sure. So no delay between audio and video. I actually thought there might be some with these, so I'm pleasantly surprised. It's a good thing. So let's go over what we've tested. We did the mic test. You guys can be the judge of the mic. I'm sure the real AirPods sound better. Battery life on here is around 3.5, maybe 4 hours, depending on the volume that you are listening to content with. In-ear detection works very well. These do support wireless charging and Bluetooth 5.0. Touch controls do work just like they should. They're going to work exactly the same on Android. You can use one at a time. We did that test. You also have no delay between audio and video. So all good things. Now, are these better than the i500s? Are they better than the 200s? They're so similar. I mean, it's a toss-up. Basically, it's going to come down to price. And these are about 37 bucks, I think, on eBay right now. And I know he does accept offers, so you could probably get them for a little less. So at that price, I do think they are worth it. If you want a good pair of matte black, they're solid, right? They're not the best clone out there, but they are a solid pair at a good price with fast shipping. So you can't beat that. You can't pay for that. All these people that are complaining about the Black Pods and the shipping delays, it's a real problem. So the fact that you can get something like this that are better than Black Pods, these are better than Black Pods, no doubt about it. But these aren't the best either. The i500's glossy black sound better than these, but all of the matte black versions that I've tested are just about the same as these. It's going to come down to price. It's going to come down to how fast can I get them in my hands if I buy them. And with the USA seller on eBay, that's a trusted seller, you're going to get them in a couple days. So You have to weigh your options, see what's best for you. Are they worth the price tag of 37, or if you make an offer for 35, 34, are they worth it? To me, they would be. I would buy these and I would use these for that price. But it's up to you guys. You guys got to decide if you want a decent pair, a good pair of matte black, then the i27s might be for you because they do have veneer detection, works very well. You can use one at a time. Touch controls work great. No delay between audio and video. So there's a lot of good things. Wireless charging works, a real battery percentage on here, a lot of good things. I am running the latest version of iOS, so it's going to work on those. And the touch controls, inner detection, all that stuff will work exactly the same on an Android device. The mic test, I'm sure the mic on the real AirPods sounds better, but it is what it is. We get what we pay for. So the i27s, let me know what you guys think. These clones, guys, they just keep coming. And I do have a real one-to-one clone on the way. I'm just waiting for it to arrive, and I will drop a video as soon as I get it. So the i27s, guys, matte black version, let me know what you guys think. Now, we do have another pair here. I am going to be doing another giveaway. i27s in matte black. I'll leave the link below in the description. I'll let you know how you can get your hands on it. The giveaway will go for about 3 weeks. The Nokia's giveaway ends on Sunday, but this one will go for about 3 weeks. I'm going to spread them out a little more, but the i27s, we will be giving one away, and I will drop the link below for the eBay link so you can pick these up if you are interested. But that's about it, guys. Another super copy, another super clone. They are getting better and better, so close to the real thing. We're almost there. Just stay patient because it's coming. And the day I get my hands on a matte black version that is an exact one-to-one copy, you guys will be the first ones to hear about it. But that's it, guys. A quick video, another super copy, another super clone, the TWS i27s in matte black. More videos to come, guys. Enjoy your night. I'll be back soon. Peace.